Deep in the whispering woods, where shadows danced with ancient secrets, a young girl named Ilara found herself lost. A sinister whisper slithered through the trees, the voice of a grumpy old gnome who guarded a forbidden spring. "You've trespassed, little one," it rasped, its voice like grinding stones. Thorny vines, animated by the gnome's magic, erupted from the ground, snaking around Ilara's ankles, pulling her toward the dark, swirling waters. She cried out, her heart pounding a frantic rhythm against her ribs. Just as the thorns tightened, a flash of sapphire and emerald swooped from the canopy above. It was a lumina bird, a creature of pure light, its feathers shimmering like 1,000 tiny stars. It sang a single, crystal-clear note. The melody washed over the vines, causing them to wither into dust. The gnome shrieked and vanished into the earth. The lumina bird circled Ilara once, its gentle light a warm embrace, before soaring back into the sky, leaving a trail of stardust in its wake.